Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn IT Tech, the place where we break down complex tech concepts into simple, easy to understand programs. Today we are diving into the world of Go concurrency with a super practical example, building a simple worker pool. So here we are going to use Go routine, worker pool and job. So it is basically how the worker is handling multiple jobs. Okay. So next, whether you are new to Go or brushing up for interview, this one is going to help you understand how Go routines, channels and job processing work together. So let's get coding started. First, we'll create one folder here. Folder name is worker Go routine example. Inside this, I'm going to create main.go file. First line always is package main. Here we are going to use two packages, which is kind of one is fmt and second one is time. So I'm importing both time. So for it disappeared because I'm not going to use those. Even though I imported, it is not using somewhere in the Go, then it is disappearing. So first of all we have to start using those packages. First I'm going to create here one struct name job. That struct is having one property id int. Then I'm going to create a main function here. In this main function I'm creating two variables. First is number of job, how many jobs I'm going to use in this program. Let's say total 10 jobs. Number of worker, let's say number of worker is 4. Now I have to create a channel here to handle a job and whether that job is done or not. So two channels I'm going to create here. How to create those channels is simply by using a make here chan keyword name and property job. So here I am going to create one channel job here of type struct. Okay, later I'll explain you why I created here, because I have to handle those jobs in this particular program. So I'm creating a channel of type struct. One another channel is there which is boolean type. Now after creating a channel I'm going to pass assign a job to a worker. So how to assign those? For this I have to create write down one for loop which is worker for loop till number of worker. So I am having a 4 worker, it will work till 4. So 4 times this loop will run. Inside this loop what I am going to call one go routine name worker. In this go routine I'm passing my first parameter is worker, next parameter is jobs means channel, and third parameter is whether the particular job is done or not. Same go routine I'm going to create here because we just called it here. I'm going to create go routine here func worker. This is my id as worker. number 1 worker, number 2, number 3, number 4. 4 worker will come down one by one, and they will handle parallelly different 10 jobs. So I'm receiving next parameter jobs here, chan. So my function is ready. First parameter is worker, second parameter is job, which I'm passing it from my main, and third parameter is another channel which is going to tell me whether my particular job is done or not. So this is two different type of channel here we are going to use. Now I'm writing one for loop on jobs, total jobs, how many jobs I'm having. So I'm writing down a range condition here. So this is one by one job I have to do, and once it is complete I have to return a this channel once all job is done. So here I am going to write down one printf command. In this printf command I am writing worker %d started job, means which worker started which job, handling which job. Okay, so here d \n, first parameter is worker, next parameter is job.id. Now I am using here time.sleep. I'm using time.sleep. Why? Because this we are keeping this time to let the job should complete. For now I'm keeping only for 1 second wait here. Printf worker %d finished job, which worker finished which job. Again here id means worker, second is job.id. Now this my job is done. That means I have to send inform the channel that my job is done through by using this. I'm passing a boolean value in this one, so it means my job is done. Now worker first suppose first worker started doing the job first, so here it will come like worker 1 started job 1 and worker 1 finished job 2 1. Okay, same way after calling this, what we have to do here in the main, we have to pass a value to jobs. How to pass a value to job? By anonymous function. So how many jobs we are having? Number of jobs here we have to keep 10 jobs is there. It will start from here and it will run till the 9 less than 1. After that I am passing all value one by one to this channel. This channel is of type struct, so we have to pass like this. Now after completing all this, I have to close the channel, so I'm closing it. Now last loop, this loop waits for all jobs to complete. So another loop I'm going to complete here. That this job on this loop also will run till the number of jobs. Now I am receiving the value which I assign in the worker go routine. It means all the job has been completed. Now at last we have to write down all jobs completed. So this is our sample program, simple program, where I just created one function, that function itself acting like a go routine. Here in this function, I am passing a worker, job channel and done channel. Here this time is actually behaving like some work is there assigned by us to a job which is taking 1 second here. Okay. Now once my job is done, I am assigning a boolean value to my channel. It means through this I will get to know that my job is done. Coming to main, here I initialize those two channels, then I assign those all the worker, jobs and done channel to my go routine, and then after calling this go routine, I am assigning all the value to my job channel, and after completion of work I am closing the same channel, and after assigning every value in last for loop I am receiving those values from the main go routine, which is going to tell us that all job has been completed. So let's run this program. So here you can see number worker number 2, worker number 4, worker number 0, worker number 1. This is coming like not in sequential, on sequential way it is coming, and every worker is assigning different job. If you can see, worker 2 is handling third number of job, worker 4 is assigning fourth number of job, worker 0 is assigning, every worker is assigning different type of job. So total here, if one this worker 2 started handling a job of number 3, same time worker 4 will handle a number fourth number of job, means which is actually coming in the bucket. Same way this total 10 job is handled by 4 worker only, and once all the 10 job completes, all jobs has been completed, will get the message. So thank you guys, we'll meet in the next video.